Lights is one of the three largest events in Austin and receives national accolades while remaining a deeply cherished local tradition. Furthermore, as the most cherished and longest-running holiday tradition in Texas' capital city, the Austin Trail of Lights, powered by HEB, attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors from Central Texas and around the globe each year. Continuing its tradition, the trail hosts private nights offering free entry through the Stars at the Trail program to over 40 nonprofit partners and distributes thousands of passes to eligible families within the Austin Independent School District. Ito nga at magandang isamang inyong pamilya pag kayo ay pumunta dito at namasyal.